Welcome to STEM at Middle School. This is a course designed to integrate STEM and computer science into your core content. Each topic contains an interactive lesson, a STEM challenge, a career focus, and a 3D print project. STEM at Middle covers grades 6 through 8, and we also offer STEM at Elementary and STEM at High School. Let's take a look. As you can see here, all core subjects are covered in STEM at Middle School, and all of our courses have a Start Here folder. Let's go ahead and check that out. Under the Start Here folder, you can see there are many resources for you to use while using STEM at Middle School. You have a topic guide, you have a materials catalog, and you have a digital journal and several other resources to use. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the topic guide. The topic guide is going to show you how these lessons integrate into your core content areas, including business, English, fine arts, FCS health, math, science, social studies, and we also include AF&R. Next are examples of some of the lessons. There's a STEM lesson that will integrate the engineering design cycle, a 3D print project, and a career focus. As you can see, this is the case for all subject matter. Next, we're going to take a look at the materials guide. These are the materials that are used in the STEM challenges. These are suggested materials and can be substituted or replaced by anything that you have in your classroom or the students have at home. You can get as creative as you like. Next, we're going to go ahead and jump into a lesson. For this example, I'm going to use science, and we're going to go into infectious disease. Once you get into this folder, you will see that there is another teacher's guide here that's going to be specific to the lesson that you're going to be going through. We're going to check out that. Your teacher's guide is going to have the standards that are covered in this lesson. We're going to go over what is STEM, what STEM skills you'll be using through the lesson, the STEM at challenge, and then finally a 3D printing project. Let's go ahead and get into the lesson. Once you get into the lesson, you're simply going to click Start Here, and then you're just going to work your way through the screens using the next and the back buttons at the bottom, or you can use the menu button at the top if you want to skip around. The screens are interactive, they ask questions. There will be mini quizzes within. It's going to take you through the steps of the engineering design cycle. And then it's going to give you what the STEM challenge is going to be. In this case, you'll be making a face mask and creating a public service announcement on why you should wear the mask so you don't spread disease. Again, it's going to take them through their engineering design cycle. They're going to plan it out. They're going to create, they're going to improve, and they're going to share their work. At the end of the lesson, there's some discussion questions you can go over. And then at the very end, it's going to tell you what your 3D printing project is, some reading material, and what the career focus is. Let's move on to the 3D print project. This is going to look similar to the STEM-IT lesson. You're going to hit Start, and you're going to toggle through the screens just as before. It's going to give you a time frame and how long this lesson should take, this 3D print project should take. We're going to go in and create, and this is going to walk the students on how to create an account with Tinkercad, the software that we use for our 3D print projects. There is a video here that can help them. And then you're going to toggle between Tinkercad and the STEMFuse platform to build your 3D print project. which in this case is a hand sanitizer case. You will just simply go through, follow the instructions until the end. Once that is complete, then you will come over here and hit print, and it's going to give you a video on how to save and export your file to your printer. Thank you for listening to the STEMit Middle School overview. If you have any questions, please contact customer service at stemfuse.com or a sales representative, and we will reach out to you.